Good day everyone. We are the group 6 and now we will be discussing about our system entitled grading system or the CC grade. So grading is an important part of school because it shows student performance. However, many schools still use paper records and manual calculations. This process takes time, can cause mistakes, and makes it hard to manage student records. Paper based grading also makes records difficult to organize and update. Because of this, professors spend more time on paperworks. So, to address these problems, this study developed a web based grading system for professors. The system helps manage subjects, encode grades, view schedule, and generate reports. It makes grading faster, reduces errors, and keep records organized. So next,
So for the web application, is accessed through an internet browser on a computer or laptop, allowing professors to use the system without installing additional software. It provides tools for managing academic subjects, encoding and updating the student grades, or organizing teaching schedules and generating various academic reports. By using a centralized database, the application ensures that all records are stored in one secure location, making the data easier to organize, retrieve, and update in real time. This centralized system is also improves data accuracy, consistency, and security while enabling efficiently access to information whenever it is needed. Next.
This study focused on making the grading process easier and more efficient for the professor. Manual grading takes a lot of time that can sometimes lead to mistakes, especially with handling many students and subjects. With web-based grading system, professor can encode grade quickly and the system automatically calculate the final results. This helps to reduce error, save times, and keep academic records well organized. Overall, the system helps professor work more efficient and make the grade manageable and more reliable.
so next for the software development tools. For the development of grading system, different software tools were used to build the test and test the system. These tools help make sure that the system works properly and easy to manage and also can be improved in the future. So we have first PHP here. PHP was used to create the main function of the system. It handles tasks such as saving grades, processing data, and displaying information on the web pages. PHP allows the system to respond to user actions like adding records and viewing reports. So second, SAMP. So the SAMP was used as a local server during development. It allowed the system to run on a computer without an internet connection and help in testing features and fixing errors. Third was Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code was used for writing and editing the system codes. It helped organize files and made development faster and easier. So for the fourth is Postman. Postman was used to test the system functions such as adding and viewing records. It helped check if the data was processed correctly. So lastly, the MySQL. MySQL was used to store all the system data, including subjects, students, grades, and reports. It helps keep record organized and easy to retrieve. So next is
So for this slide, the dashboard serves as the main landing page of the web application. After the professor's logs, it provides a quick overview of important academic information and activities in one screen. The left side contains a navigation menu allowing users to access key features such as dashboard, my subjects, grade encoding, class record, report, and schedule. At the center, The dashboard summary cards display essential statistics such as the total number of added activities and total students handled by professor. These indicators help users quickly monitor their workload and academic progress. The dashboard also includes a recent activity section which records actions like grade encoding, report creation, and schedule updates, allowing professors to track recent system usage. Overall, this dashboard is designed to provide easy navigation real time and efficiently access to academic data, improving usability and productivity for professors using the web-based grading the record of managed system. Next.
In this area, they display all the subject assigned to the professor. It show the subject name, schedule, and the room information. This page is for viewing purpose only and allow professor to easily check their assigned subject and schedules. It's help to keep teaching details organized and easy to review.
Grid Grid encoding is a core feature of the web application that allows teachers or instructors to input, manage, and compute student grades digitally in a structured and accurate way. The main goal of grid encoding is to record student performance, automatically calculate final grades, and ensure consistency and accuracy in grading. The instructor selects the semester, school year, or grading period, etc. per semester prelim. Quizzes, projects, other requirements, total final grade, and grade input. Next.
So for the class record page, this page shows the class record feature of the grading system. It displays the list of students that the professor entered during grade encoding, along with their grades. The class record helps professor monitor student performance easily. All grades are shown in one table, making it easier to review scores and check final results. This page also helps keep student records organized, reducing the need for paper records. Overall, the class record page makes grading more clear, organized, and easier to manage for professor. So next is reports.
In this area, the reports or the report cards feature show the grade of the student from the prelim, midterms, and the finals. The system is automatically calculate the final grades so the professor do not need to compute it manually. This report can be used for record keeping and submitting grades to the school. This feature helps to ensure that student grades are clear and accurate and easy to review. Next.
So for the last landing is the schedule module allows professors to manage and organize their class schedules within the web application. It displays a structured deploy and table containing important details such as the subject code, subject name, start time, and room assignment. This layout enables professors to clearly view and monitor their teaching schedule for the selected academic year. An Add Schedule button is provided to allow professors to create new class schedules, while Edit and Delete action buttons enable them to update or remove existing schedule entries as needed. The navigation panel on the left ensures easy access to other system features such as the grade encoding, class records reports, and dashboard. Overall, this module improves schedule organization, accuracy, and accessibility, helping professors efficiently manage their teaching responsibilities and avoid scheduling conflicts within the central's web-based system. Next.
The grading system was created to make managing student grades easier, and more accurate for teachers instead of using manual methods. The system allows faster grade encoding, class record organizations, and report generation. Um, because the system is computerized, errors in grade competition are reduced, academic records are more organized, the grading process becomes faster and more efficient. Next.
So for the conclusion, in conclusion, our system addressed the main challenges of manual grading. It not only sped up the grading process but also improved accuracy and organization. Professors can now manage grades and records more efficiently, making the overall grading process more reliable. So next is for recommendation. For recommendation, we suggest making the system accessible to students so they can monitor their grades. Reports should be clearer and easier to print or save. A backup feature is important to prevent data loss, while a simple, user-friendly design will make the system easier to use. Lastly, regular updates and testing will keep the system reliable over time. So, that's all includes our presentation on the web-based grading system. We hope our research and recommendations have shown how this system can make grading more efficient, accurate, and reliable for professor. Thank you for your time and attention.